Hello, Mario Guy here. Today, welcome back to another lawnmower video. So I will be using my grandpa's Honda HR 216 TDA mower, and I'm using the edger as a stand right now. So, and I got my grandpa's stuff right there. He's working over there, working on my lawnmower because he needs to transplant the hydrostatic transmission. So I know how to be careful with lawnmowers. They're not for sale or anything, just fixing. Sorry about that. I need to move the mower closer. This thing was so easy to remove. I'm gonna put the nuts there. Oh, sorry, I have to cover my nose because the garbage in the truck, so it's going to put it right here. I think it just stopped. So, sorry if you can't see it. Now we'll do this. First, I will rub this. I will rub this here. That way I could have access to the engine. So, yeah. This is what happens when you take this thing out from so, I'm gonna show you. So this was the flywheel. Whenever I take this out, I'm not breaking the lawnmower or anything. So when you have to remove the hood for this. Hold on. So yeah, if you remove this, the hood, it shows the entire mechanism. It shows the flywheel, and this also removes because it's without the nuts. I didn't mean to say that. If you like lawnmowers and Nintendo content, make sure to like and subscribe. So this thing is used to start the mower. When these two, it holds grip of these edges right there, and that's what starts the lawnmower as you hold blade clutch. When you hold the blade control bar. Sorry. So this was the exhaust and the carburetor. And there's this logo right here that says OHC. So let's do so. So let's twist it back. Let's twist it. Sorry. That brings the pull rope back up. Makes it look like a mower that has been unboxed. Let's put that back here. Go watch if you like Mario Galaxy Weekends, go to my channel and go to my recent episode of Mario Galaxy Weekends. Despite the interruptions, it still looks great. It still is great. And let's put these back together. Oh wait, forgot it. I got my. So yeah, I reset it back to the pull rope back to its original position because I will like it. But make sure it's just all fun and games until I'm just wearing slippers at the moment. So. Let's put these screws back together. I could reach though. And let's move the edger. Sorry if you can't see me though. I think I might just move the edger. My grandpa's fixing my lawnmower over there. And other stuff. Yeah. guys have to look at this. It's now in its original position. So let's start it. It's not on the rope support, so yeah. Press it. Press clutch and. Flywheel still works, but in order to put it back, you press blade control, pull it back, pull the rope back a few, and then use friction to go in the tight spaces and alakazam. Now it's in their original position. Again, thank you for watching and follow for more lawnmower content.